All right, there she is. And I said 2-hour project. 2-hour project. Just cleaned the whole truck up, cleaned the whole interior. I mean, I treated all the leather. I did all the trim, all the windows. Got the tacky thing going on here. It's too bad you can't. Wonder why the light dome doesn't come on. Who knows? Too much technology. It's above there. But anyways, truck really cleaned up well. Kind of hard to see here at nighttime because it's freaking dark. I mean, it doesn't end. These are projects. When you own these vehicles, it's projects. And yeah, you hear me breathing a little hard? Yeah, it's a freaking project, man. It's a workout. Yes. So, anyways, just wanted to share my love and fun of what I own and do. And, you know, if you think about it, who would want all these damn cars? I mean, what do you do besides clean them all the damn time? But hey, it keeps me out of trouble. Hey, thanks for watching Ice Age TV, and stay tuned for morning conversations.